Google. Let's go get him again.
Welcome back to the Robes Away channel. I'm your host, Mark, and welcome to your subscriber's choice, where you decide what this nose reviews. As you can see, I got 5 little samples in front of me. If you're new to this, basically what I'm doing is I'm trying to get rid of all my samples. It's an impossible task, but we have a designer and we got a niche list. Today we are doing designer. It is Sunday. I got a little bit of time on my hands. I wasn't going to shoot a video. I wasn't going to upload anything today. Might as well do this. So we got some in the trough here to continue to do these sampling samples on the weekend so I can get more content out. So if you're new here, basically there's 5 samples, 5 choices for you. And what you do is you vote with your comment below. 1 comment per YouTube handle. And the one that has the most votes wins. It's pretty simple, straightforward. I usually keep the voting up for 48 hours until, of course, from the time of launch of this video. And yeah, that's it. The funny part is actually this designer lineup is getting a huge shakeup. 2 or 3 weeks ago, 2 fragrances won. Coach Green, which you saw the video. If you haven't, go check that out if you're interested in it. It's a snoozer. And then Light Blue Intense also won, which the work is done on that. The testing is done on it. I just have to shoot the video. I was supposed to shoot it this weekend. Got a little busy. So we got 3 returnees, but we got 2 noobs to the lineup. Let's see what we have. So if you're new, or you can just look at the thumbnail and you already know what I have. So the first one is from the brand of Yves Saint Laurent. This fragrance has been here since the start of this subscriber's choice, and this is Y Eau de Parfum Intense. So it was a 2023 release, I believe. It was new at the time. Guess nobody really cares of what I think of Y, which is probably a good thing. Next is Dolce & Gabbana Light Blue Summer Vibes. So we kind of got rid of a lot of the light blues. They're going through the trough here and getting reviewed. I believe I reviewed Sun, and Intense is on its way, and now Summer Vibes is still in the list. That one was also, I think, fairly at the start of this subscriber's choice. And then the third wheel, Giorgio Armani's Armani code Colonia. So the discontinued code Freshie, I believe, Freshie, that's just my expert opinion, I believe. I've never smelt any of these. That's why they're in sampling samples. So the 2 noobs, we are going back to Dolce & Gabbana, so we lost the light blue, but we're not gaining another light blue. This is Dolce & Gabbana, the One Luminous Night. That is the blue bottle. Haven't smelt it, don't own the bottle yet, but it is a line that I really, really do like, and I was really intrigued in that one. So let's see what that one has to offer. If it wins, it will eventually win at some point, I'm assuming. And then lastly, we have Jean Paul Gaultier, which is a hot line right now. People are going nuts with JPGs for some reason. The 2 newest releases, I do have videos on them. This is from their Scandal lineup. So I haven't smelt their Scandal lineup. Scandal put just to clarify, because the women's line is popular with Scandal. This is Scandal put Homme le eau de toilette. This is not the darker version. There was 2 versions made. This is the original Scandal pour Homme, which I haven't smelt. So there's your 5 choices, your Sunday subscribers choice video. Might as well. So at least we have a video out there, and then within 48 hours voting ends. So as always, anybody that does watch this video votes, merci beaucoup. Certainly appreciate all the comments and the votes on these, and we'll see who wins. I'm putting money on the noobs, but we'll see. We'll see. And again, I don't really care which one does. I want to review all of these, so I don't really care. I don't have any money on any of them. So thank you so much again for the support. Much appreciated. Have a good night, and I'll see you on the next one.